Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter Nom Nom. I am Annette if you are new here. Today, part 3 of the monochromatic series. We're doing blue. Yes, I am wearing a sweater in like plus 30 degree weather because I couldn't find another blue shirt. So let's get on with this so I can stop sweating my ass off. So I have before me every blue piece of makeup I own, which is way more than I thought. I was gonna do eyes first, but I think I'm gonna get my base and my brows on and then we'll come back for eyes. Alright, I am bronzed up and powdered everywhere, so let's start working on my face. Eyes. So I'm gonna start by setting my lids. I'm gonna use the LA Colors matte palette and I'm just gonna use the cream shade here. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna go into my LA Colors Shine versus Matte palette, and I'm gonna start with this sort of light denim blue as a first transition color. Lovely. Now I'm gonna go into the light blue with my Vasanti crease brush. That's gonna go in the crease next. Take that denim color and blend out the edges. I'm going very glam editorial with this. So I'm going to go back into the Shine versus Matte and I'm going to take this navy color here and I'm going to use a wider fluffy brush here into that dark color and get an outer corner going. Now I'm going to take a more flat, fluffy brush and I'm going to take a mixture of the denim color and the navy. And that's what I'm going to smoke down the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go into the Huda Electric palette. I'm going to take the dark shimmer and I'm going to put this all over the lid. I look like a clown. So now I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna go into the shimmery aqua blue and I'm gonna put this on the inner corner, kind of melt that with the darker blue. Beautiful. I'm gonna go into the Estate Cosmetics blue highlighter and I'm just taking a little flat packing brush here. I got a shit ton on there. Go into the inner corner and I'm gonna blend that out to meet with the underlying blue. Put some under the brow bone. So now I'm going to take this navy blue liner from Sourmet Cosmetics and this is what I'm putting in my waterline. And then I'm going to attempt to use this NYC in the navy and I'm gonna go over the top lash line a bit. Whew. Throw on some Steel Huge Ass mascara. So that's it for eyes. Oh, good thing I did all that contouring. I would be pasty as fuck with all this blue. Highlighter. Oh shit, this stuff smells so good. Essence Prismatic Highlighter. This has sort of like a blue iridescence to it, and I kind of feel like this will be an alright base for a super blue cool toned highlight. I'm just patting this on with my finger. And then over top of that, I'm gonna go back into the Estate highlighter using my SL Miss Glam highlight brush. I'm going to just smooth that on. Wow. Hello. So now for blush, I'm going to use the same highlight brush because I want to kind of tie the highlight I just used with the blush a little bit, and I'm going for a more cool toned blush. We're going to keep it dead, and I'm using the Steve Laurent blush in Rosé All Day. Perfect. Lips. I'm so excited for this. This was like the whole method behind my madness. This is the Hard Candy Wet Ever Lip Topper in Starry Night. Now this stuff actually dries down and does not move or go anywhere, so I kind of love that it's got that long-lasting liquid lipstick vibe to it. This, I just was convinced would be so perfect for this look. Now, because this is a topper and it doesn't go on very full coverage, I'm gonna go into this shimmery teal shade that we put on the inner corners of the eyes, and I'm gonna just tap that over where we had gaps. And voila. This is the full blue monochromatic face. Holy crap. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click up here if you want to see the other episodes in this series. I will link the playlist right there somewhere, I think. My dog's looking at me like I'm insane. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next one.